Hey there everyone, welcome back to My Crafting World. This is Anna. So I wanted to share, I normally don't share hauls with you guys, but I really like this one. So it's a small haul from Tuesday morning and it was out of town. This is not in my town. So yeah, my town doesn't have really cool stuff like this. So anyway, I did find some charms and these were $1.79 and some bones and some skulls for Halloween. I had never seen these before, so I thought I'd go ahead and pick these up. So I thought these were really cute for some charms or some tassels or something like that. And then this one I picked up just because it was Paris themed, and the Eiffel Tower, a couple of cameras, a globe, and another globe without the stand. So I thought those were really cute. You guys, you know I like Paris stuff. So okay, so the next thing I picked up were these set of Jolie, let me see, is that, yeah, Jolie's All That Bling. And I just noticed that it has a little bling on the eye. Anyway, I don't remember seeing these anywhere other than, you know, people's projects. So I thought for $1.99, that's pretty good. 7 bows, and I think they're so pretty. I did manage to find one of these at my local Tuesday morning, but it was just one. And when I found this one, again, it was just one. So I'm guessing that there aren't a whole lot going around. So yeah. So, but I bought the one here, and I bought the one where I was out of town that I went shopping at. And then I bought this 6x6 paper pad, Mind's Eye, and I just thought that the pattern on these and the colors were so pretty. I really like this little swan, and they are double-sided. So I really did like this one. This is the reason that I bought the paper pad, because I saw this one, I thought it was so cute. And yeah, so, and look at that, that's so beautiful. So oh, I hadn't seen this one. Oh, that's beautiful. So yep, this is a paper pad that I purchased at Tuesday morning, and it was $2.99. And then I bought, and I've seen these before, but I had never purchased a package. These are the Recollections paper milk cartons. So I thought I would purchase one of these. It's got three different designs. So yeah, we'll see what I can come up with, and I'll probably share some of these. These were $1.99. I mean, there are, how many in here? 12 pieces. That's a lot. So I'll probably be sharing some of those. But the reason that I'm sharing this haul with you is for my next finds. They had flowers, guys. These flowers are so stinking pretty. They are Little Birdie. Little Birdie is the name of the brand, I'm assuming. They're handmade flowers, and these were $1.99 for this package. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 flowers, and I just thought they're so pretty. And to go with those, I found these butterflies that were $1.49 a package, and I think the colors complement each other very well. So these are actually going to go, I'm gonna give these away. So, but I thought they were so pretty. I did not buy any of these for myself. Yeah, so I thought these were so cute. Look at that. Oh, they're so pretty with some stickles or some glitter or something. They're all gonna look really pretty. So I got those, and I thought these were so adorable. Look at these little handbags. They have the tiny little flowers, Make-A-Wish. I am going to take one of these and figure out how to make them and then show you guys, because these are so adorable, and I honestly don't think they're going to be available for too long at too many Tuesday mornings, and I really like these. So stay tuned for that. We'll figure out how to make these. Really, really cute. $1.49, and love the colors. Yeah, really, really cute. Okay, so the next package of flowers I purchased were these. They were $2.99, and these have a couple of butterflies to go with the collection of flowers. Beautiful, beautiful colors. They're so realistic looking, and I love them. It looks like mulberry paper. Let me see if it says anything. You know, I just it says provide employment to underprivileged women in rural parts of India. Oh, nice. So yeah, it's the Little Birdie brand, and yeah, it doesn't say what kind of paper, but that's what it looks like, the mulberry paper, and they are just gorgeous. There you go, there's that one. And then I also got this package, and I just thought that these were so pretty. Let me see if you can see that a little bit better with that light. Oh, $3.49, but they're so pretty. I love these. These will go with anything. I love, you know, the little balls in the center, the gold balls made up of a whole bunch of little beads. I'm sure there's a little something inside, but those are so pretty. Can't wait to use those. And then I got this box of flowers, guys. I haven't even opened it. Let me open this. Oh, here we go. So we can see that a little bit better, because they are gorgeous. Okay. They are so stinking pretty. And look at that, guys. Look at this. Oh, this one's separate. Either it's separate or it came off, one of the two. But yeah, look at that. My goodness, they're so pretty. Look at these flowers. Wow, I just love them. I'm thinking it came off because these are yeah. No, they're all like that, it looks like. But anyway, look at that. Oh my goodness, that is just gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. Can hardly wait. I have a wedding album that I need to make. My brother asked me to make one for his wedding pictures, and I have not started it, but I think this would go really good with that wedding album. So yeah, these are the flowers that I purchased at Tuesday morning, and I have one more to show you. So let me set that aside. This is my favorite one, guys. Look at this. Oh, and they come with leaves as well, and this is my absolute favorite from all of them. Look at these. It's purples and pinks, and you know, just they're all very pretty. Look at that, guys. I hope you get to find some at your local at your local Tuesday morning. I just think these are beautiful, and I'm gonna go and see if they have any at our Tuesday morning, just because I think I should have bought more, but I didn't. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I really do hope you guys find some at your Tuesday morning. All right, guys, talk to everyone later. Have a blessed day. Thanks a lot for watching.